Hi, this is Jamie.
And I'm Meredith, and we're with Coastal Business Supplies.
Today we are going to work with our 22-ounce white ceramic stein, right after this. So today we're going to work with our 22-ounce white ceramic stein. This stein does have a gold trim and a nice beveled edge, giving it a little bit more characteristic than your standard stein.
All right, we printed off with a Sawgrass printer on text print paper. What we're going to do is we're going to place it where we want it. Place it where we want it. And tape the image on. Make sure that your tape does not overlap your image, otherwise it can cause some fading in your image. Okay, and then we're going to put the wrap on there and place it in our 4-in-1 mug press and hit start.
So today we are pressing at 360 degrees for 240 seconds at a medium pressure. Meredith has put on our sublimation heating pad wrap. This has a few benefits. It distributes the heat evenly and it helps with pressure on the mug itself. When using this stein, you do lose some of the pressure and heat because it is beveled when you do put it in your press. So we always recommend this for more even transfer, vibrant transfer as well. We do carry these online, size 18 inches by 22 inches. We have cut down, however, so you can always do that as well. You also have the option of using a wrap for your oven. We do sell this as well online, so this is another benefit if you do not have a mug press.
And the instructions are also online for that. All right, I think we're done here. Now for the unveiling.
And there you go. So as always, thank you for watching our video tutorial.
We'll see you next time.